Hello everybody, welcome back to the TS WebTech Security Solutions YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about 6 vulnerability scanners used in cybersecurity. So the first one we have up here is OpenVAS. It's by the Greenborn Vulnerability Management Group. It's a network and system scanner. It's free. It's open source, which makes it hugely applicable for you to play around with. It's got a database of 80,000 vulnerability tests, and they're updated daily. So this would be definitely a good one. It was forked from the Nessus before it became a paid program, and we will check that one out soon. Some of the key features, like we mentioned, the 80,000 tests, daily updates, a large community. I like this one right here. Network system scanning, servers, routers, firewalls, endpoints. This is definitely something I'll be using in the lab. If you guys would like to see this one demonstrated in my lab, we could definitely do that. And I like making these reports up as well. I think it would be a fun little project. Let me know what you'd like to see. So some of our use cases, small to medium businesses, security teams with Linux expertise. Again, half my lab's Linux, half of it is Windows, so this could be fun. Looks like something we can sell in the MSP portion of our business. What are some cons, though? High technical expertise configure. Not a very good GUI, graphic user interface. A steep learning curve. So this is definitely something that you would want to play around with in your lab. Nmap, everybody's favorite beginner cybersecurity tool. If you haven't used Nmap on Kali Linux or haven't watched a YouTube video on Kali Linux, Nmap, there's a billion out there. Also, if you'd like to see this one, just drop a comment. We got good old port scanning. Angry IP is kind of like this with the port scanning. We did one on that the other day. Service and OS detection. Fingerprint the services and the operating system on the network. There's a lot of good use cases for this. Not only does it work on Linux, but it works on Windows and Mac. We can also use it on our on-prem network, or up in the cloud, or on the edge of the IoT devices. Lots of documentation in a huge community, which is great for anything you want to do. So, this is best for network administrators, security professionals, reconnaissance. Just make sure you're doing this on networks that you have permission to do it on in your lab. Don't be doing it in your school. Don't be at work doing it. This is something that could get you in trouble if you misuse it. All these could get you in trouble if you misuse it. It's completely free and open source. It's lightweight. It's command line. If that's something you're not into, that could be a con. It requires scripting knowledge for advanced use. Again, this is something that we could make videos on. It'd be a lot of fun. OWASP ZAP. It's the world's most widely used open source web application vulnerability scanner. It's it's trusted by newcomers and seasoned pen testers. Zero cost licensing. So this is a very exciting tool. I hope to try it out on some of my websites I've been building just to test to see where I'm at on my skills. So we're intercepting and we're modifying the HTTPS traffic between browser and application. We got automated scanning, Docker support. I love this right here. It can run headless in a Docker container. I absolutely love Docker containers. I have servers that just run nothing but Docker stuff that I use. I absolutely love Docker. So there's a lot to this. It's got its own marketplace even. That's amazing. So it's web application testing. Most of our time we're on the web. If you're making web apps, if you're vibe coding, watch out. You better be testing your stuff. And this would be the perfect tool to start testing and learning more about it, honestly. I'm really excited to start using this one. It's definitely on my schedule. So what do we got for pros and cons? Con, limited scale. Advantage, completely free with zero cost. You can see this is, a perfect one for beginners to start off with before you get into, oh my goodness, what is that one? It's on the tip of my tongue. I'll have to look it up later. If you know what I'm talking about, drop it in the comments. I can't believe I just drew a blank on that one. And it's not even coming up. Okay, moving on. I don't know why it's not coming up. So Nessus, here is the first one was forked off of this. Oh, as you can see right here, it's it costs you almost $5,000 a year. It's used by Fortune 500 companies. It's beefy and it's costly. But it's got a massive library of 222,000 plugins, 91,000 CVEs with daily updates, 450 scanning templates for rapid deployment. And it's got compliance auditing. That's amazing. That is very amazing. This right here is definitely a good program. Perfect for large IT environments. It's not something you'd use in your lab, but it's definitely something you'd be using at a Fortune 500 in their security department, a SOC team. Looks like it's easy to use and deploy. Requires ongoing subscription. There's some really good advantages. I guess the big cons on this one is the cost. So number 5, Qualys VMDR, vulnerability management, detection, and response. This one will be another one that's going to cost us for a license, depending on how big our network is. It looks like it's the cloud based, which is good. Again, it does. Since it costs us money, it's going to have the compliance reporting for HIPAA, PCI, and other frameworks. And you know, this is why the money's worth it. It doesn't mention SOC 2 on this one. However, I mean, anything that you have to make these comply to these frameworks is going to cost you some money for an out-of-the-box solution. Looks like we can use it on Azure, Amazon, and Google Cloud. Some of the basic, you know, it's cloud, it's excellent scalability, it's got a high cost. So, and number 6, Nuclei, high performance automation scanner. This one is free. It's automation and rapid detection. Let's learn some more about it here. So key features. Oh, we got YAML templates. That's good. Built-in Go. That is one language I haven't messed with yet. Thousands of templates configuring or covering CVEs and misconfigurations. That is very useful. Updates and automation friendly. I like that. Lightweight. That's always a good one. And all these protocols. This would be definitely another one I'd like to mess with. Perfect for bug bounty programs and vulnerability research. Now, how many of you ears just perked up on that one, right? Bug bounty programs can pay off. They could be also really fun. I got really excited about that. That makes me really excited. This will definitely be a good one to play around with too. So any of these 6, just let me know in the comments which one you want to do first. So, it's only command line, no problem. I live on the command line. Some advantages, great for automation. So I think, that's where the YAML, I don't know how many of you are actually caught that when it started cutting off YAML. So we're thinking stuff like Chef and other automation software using YAML files. So my top pick is OWASP. This is going to be the first one. I think I'm going to go with this one and the Nuclei for my lab. These are the ones I really want to try out. Let me know what you think. I'm really excited about these two, though. Yeah. That could be a lot of fun, pen testing in our lab. You want to go ahead and get started before me. Here's a great starter guide and some resources for y'all to check out more stuff. Thanks for joining today, and have a good one.